jong ka HNLC ki leaders jong HNLC ki ba ong ba ngi withdraw namar baga government ka state government but ka central government kim long sincere plane kim long khuit man sin ha kan ki jing kren ngakwa ban shai shiki pat ba jong ke jala jong ni kham tam ka jat ban riu jong ni ba kin sno thu kam de kun ta ki pha shangi ki kia kren ha ka to ka ban nung kong ka bla de ko official to ka we ki bu balakum no ban day ban penting na ya ka safe passage la dawan gi leaders ka baar ho ki bu ba live no ya ka ban kum ka seng le no khanang ban suk ka ji tre bat ka balai ka ba ki ong kalong ba withdraw ru ya ki case baro ki badon ha ki kut ki ba perote yakini ki lai tali ki shu ka se passage ko mo pingi la kular bat ni la le ru ki la sa ru bun ta yeu shani ni ai ka se passage number 1 number 2 ki te care ru ya ki na dong shadong kam don kanu ban ong bangi long arsap lai sam na gelang surga ka ba ka ba ki request ban de ban weng ban live no e ko to ka ban ya ka turu ni ong ni dang ye kren mata dang de kas ka raung ka benengkong ai ba ke jing kren ka dia but andal ayat san sin ne riu sin ki issue iwe hade duwe ngin saya resolve ye kata ngin se kren mat poi shi ji stu de ki bu ya kata ka daw kyong ban na daw baka sarkar India kam lift ya kan ni na daw mi kwa ban discontinue la ne ban stop no e ka kren ha ka ba ngahi la de ni na ka state government na kren na basai ni long sincere haduk mentak na mut ban ong bangi dang gerpat ya kim nong elam ke jersey one secretable jo ke kren tong ini kren but ka ba khadu ka bagi ong ba de ban withdraw shoy ka case jong ki kadas kitu ki balasya register ki ba don ka case ya katar ngi ong ai kalis begini keren ai shoy kalis barokot kanu pungut kita ki balasya syat sheet lani kanu pungut kita ki balasya buk ai syangi kalis kenang bah ka next talk ke jing keren kan nginang yo susu ban play balik se kita uta hakata kakut kita ki su ke ba ngi keren kata tinga ngasngau lengo sibun ba haka bakadu how new December ka sgi ka bakadu ata jokes na mo balale ki withdraw man ya kene keren tinga kwa ban pensai kedar ban nakalian jong state government but ka central government ru hak ji sya hadu menta ngi dalong very sincere but ni dang kwa ai ba kan ke jing kren kan betek ka pistok banyai bakan ya chaman te abaki ai kini ki daw ko mo pi ki no pen ban ya ka government ba ka government kam sim kia le ni kam le tum ni kum tai ngatrai kata ka babakla tinga kwa robat persyai hakamat ki ba jong ke jala ka chumi na kaliang juga government hi hadu mentaru ni dang kwa ban khot ya ki noyalam joka HNLC one shiki jing kren ka jing khang dak pli wat ladap la ayang ki jing thok da ni na kalian ka sarkar still ni dak kerpat ngau ba perkhat 6000 sen wat perkhat lengkot jumut perkhat 6000 sen but what syukuno ka sarkar but pinum yo kum ka dengan kabuk sia na kalian ke sarkar jomi ka bangile na ka MDA one ngatrai ka sen ka benengkong pio ani opportunity ba ngin la ban poi hadu ka dengan stage rei penban hakapor ka bangla poi hakan ka senjam ka benengkong kesan di withdraw no na kane ka jing kren te na kata daw ma pa ban percay hakan ka por bat ru leng ba jong ka kot kubor barok akwa ru ban ong ban khot biang yakin nong yalam jong ka chinasi ba lakum dokum nuru perkhat thamai perkhat biang wan syakami jong ka jing kren naman ngila dep kren ru de ka basai lada pisngau ba phim long se phim sau long sngan wat ban kren hang ne haslong hapo me la ni long ready ban kren ha kanu nu chaka Kataru nakaliang jong sorkar kami ban nakaliang jong state government nila keren na basay. Lada peace ngau kum ki top leaders. Ba peace ngau sngan. To ong mapi hakan wa jaka. Nginwan ban ya keren. Kenang ba ngida ang not bangin ko chicha ba ngin poi no sabi jinga suk bat ba ngin sok sign nang ni sirmat ban petulun ya kan roi ka par jong ke jala me kalaya bat kumju jong ka jaj penriu bat kari bi jong barang dia kata na kemen scan ro ba kin nong yalam barang ba du jong ka channel si kin sngau ba ban berkat biang lai sen sau sen kenang ba kum bang ong pi kan ni ka peace talk kan ya ka ban poi ru sya ka bakut bangin yo ban ke yu so ba tiang.
So the HNLC has referred to the NIA.
If just because of that someone, it is not at all the government. It is not the central or state government who are involved in this. This is purely the responsibility of the judiciary. But still, let me reiterate. I told you the assurance given by the state and the central government. Please give us all the details. The members, how many of them? Is it only one? Is it only two of them? Is it only three of them who were subjected to, to the court cases? Or maybe 30 or 20 or whatever. That's what in the first meeting of the peace talk, that has been highlighted and that has been also requested by the authorized representative of the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as by the interlocutor of the government to the members of the HNLC. Don't worry, we said, give us all the detail. Then we'll prepare also for the second talk.
So that means the government has asked this list from the HNLC.
Yes.
That means the government will examine which cases needs to be dropped. And
Exactly, because we want to know all the details. But they did not furnish that. Instead, ultimately, we keep waiting. Instead, ultimately, we receive a letter that they don't want to continue the peace talk anymore because of this. In fact, these issues has been already discussed in the first meeting itself. That's why the authorized representative of HNLC also, they went back to Bangladesh to discuss with their top leaders about the issues. What was the discussion? What was the justification made by the government? What was the offer made by the government to their top leaders? It is, we request them to revisit and rethink. Kani kalong ka banga kerpat ba nakabenta kajingbit-jingbian jong kejelamit labat kajay penriu kari jong ibrokoi.
Nakaliang government ngada ka HNLC ka accept ini proposal tangba ka pa biang dakini ki ju ki representative atau government ka tre ban ya karen ne pik incest baik bakin dai top leaders baik.
Page ni ngan su om pai pi dehan taban ne rong lad bong. Bakine ki bapli ki ba tries ki ma ti bana shib garai. Te hapan lechati nang te hawan sene. Te ngi nakatakadaw ka government of India ru nangi ka state government ngi snow day ba habangi ong ye kren la poi ka ni ka top stage haka level ka bal along hang ni day bet ban ye kren ki bala ban ong yes or no ka bala ban sim ye kara ane le pisu ong isu pa unta te mangiro la sha shubu ngi sha pa da ta ka ji kren ka ta ka kampu ke chino te naman bangi kwa bahkan don ke conclusion bagi kwa ban poi sa ka jing sya usok ba tiang pun ong ba yes kani ka bangi agree te nga ong ye pi ngi kwa ba i top leaders kidai ban one man ye kren kung bagi la ready na kaliang government bro na ka central ba ka state government na kerpat ba na kiru snow ba la de pite pisngau ba ka sarkar kala ban kem kala ban kumne kumtai nga ong pisi sin pat bu o jakate hang do hang nur ngilong ready ban le la de piu ong arsin na lai sin na sau sin ngin wan ngin ye kren khanang ba bale yu na man ngi kwa chi sha ya ka ban poi sha ka jing sup jing sai bat ba ka peace talk ka jungi kan long ka bi ti bat kan poi ru sha ka positive conclusion